This tree is so big and beautiful. Yes, you are right. It's amazing how a tiny seed becomes a big tree. Yes, Avnish. I also wonder how it all started.
Have you ever seen how a plant grows from a seed?
My grandfather showed me once. It's fascinating.
How do plants reproduce? Do they all grow from seeds?
Yes, most plants grow from seeds, but there are also different ways in which plants can reproduce.
You are right, Navya. Plants reproduce both sexually and asexually.
You are right.
Do you know what sexual reproduction is?
Yes, let me tell you, Khushi. When plants reproduce through seeds, it is called sexual reproduction. Navya, did you know that seeds are formed mostly inside the fruit? When the fruit ripens, seeds are also matured.
Do all plants produce the same number of seeds? No, Avnish. The number of seeds varies from plant to plant. But most plants produce a large number of seeds.
This is so interesting.
It means seeds give birth to plants of the same kind. You are right, Daksh. Now let me show you the structure of a seed. Look guys, a seed has two main parts: seed coat and seed leaves.
What is a seed coat?
The outer covering of seed is called seed coat. It protects the baby plant. This coat can easily be removed by rubbing the seed between our fingers. Do you know, Daksh? This seed coat also contains a small hole that allows water to enter. This swells up the seed and makes it open.
This is interesting, Navya.
What are seed leaves?
Seed leaves are also called cotyledons. The seed leaves store food for the plant. They provide nutrients to the seedling till the new green leaves are formed.
What are seed leaves? Khushi, seedlings are small plants that grow from the seed.
You are right, Avnish. Let us now understand how seedlings grow from the seeds. Guys, the process of development of seed into seedling is called germination.
Tell us more, Navya.
When a seed gets enough water, air and warmth, it starts to grow into a seedling.
So, a seed requires water to soften the seed coat. Water makes the food stored in the leaves soluble, so that it is used by the baby plant.
Right, Avnish. A seed also requires air because it needs oxygen for breathing and warm air conditions to get active. Exactly. You know, friends, a seed has to wait for a long time before it gets the right conditions to grow or germinate.
Guys, plants produce so many seeds. Do all of them grow at the same place? Good question, Avnish. Seeds of plants get dispersed and grow at different places.
This is interesting. Why do seeds get dispersed?
Well, friends, plants produce a large number of seeds. If all the seeds fall near the parent plant, there would not be enough water and nutrients available for all of them to grow well. Therefore, dispersal of seed occurs in nature.
This is amazing. But Khushi, plants are fixed to the ground. Then how do dispersal occur? I think, Daksh, nature has provided some ways by which these seeds get scattered to far away distances.
You are absolutely right, Navya. There are some agents in nature that help in scattering these seeds. They are called agents of dispersal. These agents take the seeds away from their parent plants, and the process is called dispersal.
Khushi, can you name some of the agents of dispersal?
Yes, the agents of dispersal are wind, water, explosion, and animals.
Oh, so how can wind be an agent of dispersal?
Okay, I'll explain. Wind can carry lightweight seeds far away. Water can move seeds that fall into rivers or streams. Some seeds explode from their pods and scatter. And animals can carry seeds on their fur or through their droppings.
Like how dandelion seeds float away with the wind? Exactly. Wind dispersal works well for seeds that are light and have structures like wings or fluff to help them float.
Seeds that are dispersed by water, like coconut, have a tough outer shell that helps them float on water until they reach a suitable place to grow.
Some plants use explosions to scatter their seeds. When the pod dries and bursts open, the seeds are flung far away from the parent plants.
Animals help in dispersal by carrying seeds in their fur or eating fruits or excreting the seeds later. Some seeds have hooks or spines that stick to animal fur. Seeds of tiger nail, speargrass and xanthium have hooks or spines.
What about plants that don't grow from seeds?
Those reproduce asexually using vegetative parts like leaves, stems, and roots. For example, some plants reproduce through leaves. If a leaf falls and lands in the right conditions, it can grow into a new plant. It is the most common method of reproduction in plants. As you see in Bryophyllum, a plant can grow into many new plants through its leaves.
This is amazing. It's like Bryophyllum have some superpower of regeneration. Yes, you are right. But you know, some plants reproduce through stems. For example, you can plant a stem cutting from sugarcane and it will grow into a new sugarcane. Stems of these plants have buds. When these stems are planted into the soil, new plants start growing. And what about roots? Yes, some plants reproduce through roots. For example, if you plant part of a carrot root, it can grow into a new carrot plant. Sweet potatoes and dahlias are other examples. The roots of these plants are swollen and tuberous due to storage of food.
Some leaves, like ferns, reproduce through spores. Spores are tiny and can grow into new plants without seeds. Mosses and mushrooms also reproduce this way. When the spores fall onto the ground, each of these spores grow into a new plant.
Plants are amazing. But you know, there are several uses of plants.
Yes, Khushi. Plants are the main source of our food. In our daily life, we eat different types of food, including vegetables and fruits. We wear different types of clothes and we obtain most of these from plants.
Oh, right, Daksh. But we need to have a mass production of plants to produce a large amount of food and other products.
Yes, Khushi. But for mass production, we must do agriculture. Agriculture is one major use. Farmers grow crops like wheat and rice. Do you know? There are two main types of crops. Rabi crops, which are sown in winter and harvested in spring, and Kharif crops, which are sown in monsoon season and harvested in autumn.
Rabi crops include wheat, gram, pea, and mustard, while Kharif crops include paddy, soyabean, maize, groundnut, and cotton. These crops are essential for food and other products.
You are right, Avnish. Even soil requirement of each crop is also different. For example, rice and jute grow well in clay soil, while cotton grows well in black soil. Jowar and bajra grow well in sandy soil. Tea cultivation requires moist soil.
Crops are so important. We should always protect them.
Why do plants need protection?
Plants need protection from grazing animals like cows and goats. pests such as locusts, grasshoppers, and caterpillars. Big animals can be kept away by proper fencing, germs causing different infections and diseases in crops. Farmers use scarecrows, pesticides, and fences to protect their crops from pests and animals.
And storing seeds properly is crucial. Farmers store seeds in cool, dry places to keep them safe from insects and moisture. Proper storage helps ensure that seeds remain viable for planting in the next season.
I learned so much today. Plants have so many ways to reproduce and grow.
And they are so important for our lives, from the food we eat to the air we breathe.